are presenting our work under the Jignasa Study Project, Department of English. Our topic is the power of words, how it shapes our thinking. I am Afin Shaista and my team members are Huda Akifa, Samrin Naz, Shravani and Sanya. Let's begin our presentation. The power of words, how it shapes our thinking. Introduction. Why words matter? Words are not just letter or sound, they carry meanings and emotion. Every day we speak thousands of words that influence ourselves and others. Words shape how we understand situation and people. Even our thoughts are formed in words, which means language controls our thinking. When we change our words, we slowly change our mindset and behavior. Followed by, what are words? Words are symbols used to express ideas, emotions, beliefs and experience. Through language, we share knowledge, build relationship and create understanding. Words help us to organize our thoughts in clear and structured way. Without words, it becomes difficult to explain complex ideas or feelings. The meaning of words can vary from person to person based on experience and culture. For example, the word home may mean comfort to one person and responsibility to another.
Words shapes our thoughts. The language we use influences how we see the world. Positive words create hopeful and confident thinking. Negative words create fear, stress and self-doubt. When we repeatedly use certain words, they become part of our belief system. Our brain responds to the words we use regularly. Example, saying this is challenge feels different from saying this is a problem. The power of self-talk. Self-talk is the inner voice inside our mind. It can either motivate us or discourage us. Positive self-talk improves confidence and performance. Negative self-talk creates anxiety and reduces motivation. Changing our inner language can improve mental health and self-esteem. Example, instead I always say I am learning and improving.
Words influence emotion. Words can trigger strong emotional reaction. A single compliment can increase happiness and confidence. Hurtful words can stay in someone's memory for years. Emotional words caused by words are often invisible but deep. Kind and supportive words create a positive emotional environment. Example, I believe you can give someone courage during difficult times. Words and relationships. Healthy relationships depends on respectful communication. Clear and kind words reduce misunderstandings. Harsh or careless language can damage trust. Apologizing sincerely can repair broken relationships. Appreciation and gratitude strengthen bond between people. Example, small words like sorry, please and thank you make a big difference.
Words in media and society. Media uses powerful language to influence public opinions. Advertisements carefully choose words to attract customers. Political leaders are possessive words to gain support. Repeated slogans and phrases shapes collective thinking. The way news is repeated can change how people react to events. Example, calling something is a freedom fighter or a rebellion change perception. Freedom fighter is a positive and rebellion is a negative. Words and culture. Language reflects the values and beliefs of a society. Some cultures emphasize respect through formal language. Certain words exist in one language but not in another. The structure of language influences how people think about time, relationships and responsibilities. Cultural identity is strongly connected to language. Example, many Asian languages have special respectful form when addressing elders. Thank you.
Choosing words wisely. Think before speaking, especially in emotional situations. Ask yourself, is my statement helpful or harmful? Replace criticism with constructive feedback. Use encouraging language when guiding others. Words should be used to solve problems, not create them. Example, instead of you are wrong, say let's look at another perspective. Conclusion. Words shape our future. Words influences thoughts. Thoughts influences decisions. Decision influences actions. Actions shape our personality and future. Therefore, choosing positive and meaningful words can transform our lives.